Step-by-step guide on how to register GOMO SIM. Step 1. Install the GOMO app. Open the Play Store app. Search GOMO app. Click Install. After installing, open it. Second step. Activate your SIM. Click Activate your SIM. Enter your GOMO number here to activate your SIM. You will receive a verification number. Enter your verify number here. Take note that the SIM number must insert it to the phone to receive the verification code. You may read the SIM registration FAQs if you want to know the SIM Registration Act, how do I register my SIM, and other informations. Click Next. Third step. Accomplish this 4-step here. Fill up the needed information as shown in the screen. Click the arrow from the rig to select the type of ID. These are the type of ID needed. Select only one type. Next, type the ID number. After that, upload the photo of your ID. Then, yourself below it. If done, click Next. Check the small box from the upper left corner, then click Submit. Just wait till you receive the registration complete with reference number. If error occur, you may change your uploaded image. Try to crop then save. If nothing happened, try to upload other clear image. You may also retake your uploaded selfie. Take note that internet signals and image quality may affect your application error. This is what we receive. Registration complete. Thank you for completing your SIM registration. Please take a screenshot of this page for future reference. After taking screenshots, press Next. Then you will receive an email. Open your Gmail and click the verification link to verify the verification. This is the email that I received. Open the email and press the verification link. Press verify my email. I'm legit. Done. Email successfully verified. Now I will press login to log in my GOMO app. Enter the mobile number here and the 6-digit verification code. Don't worry, I entered the wrong code. Just enter the correct code. Success. Job well done. Because of it, my free 1-month unlimited data is already activated. I can now watch unlimited videos. Thank you so much, GOMO. This is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it.